Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Emily and happy 4th of July! So actually, I just got back from Walmart with my dad. We took an hour-long ride. I literally guessed it perfectly when we left. I'm like, this is gonna be an hour ride. And it was 9:05 when we left, 9:05 a.m. when we left, and we got back at 10:05. And right now it is 10:13. So, yeah, it's gonna be fun today. I will probably film a few fireworks, maybe. I don't know, because they're gonna get, the party starts at 4. I got $10 for washing the kitchen windows and the living room windows, which is awesome. And then I also got this for doing my school supplies, a $5 bill, but not bragging, just showing you guys. And then guys, my cousin, my aunt Elle's kid, came over. Left over actually, but we're gonna do my iceberg slime in this. The party starts at 4. Once again, it's 10:13. So yeah, I'm actually sick. I don't know if you can tell. I sound like congested. My nose, it just won't stop running. You can see the red marks from blowing it so much, and then I have a little cough. But yeah, it sucks, but this is going to be so fun. I've been waiting for this moment to do my iceberg slime for so long. And finally I get to. So, I actually waited a day longer, but that is totes fine. So here it is. I need to do an upfront view, guys. Like, come on. I can't not do an upfront view in this wonderful moment. I don't even know if it'll work. My cousin, Aunt Elle, she touched it and made it all crinkly, even though I told her not to. Like, why a little stink? So we will do that. Ah! No, come on. Wait, that is not going to work. I'll just have to hold it, guys. But here we go. Like, the top moved over, so there's another layer. It's not pushing through. No. Sticky under there. No, it wasn't. It didn't work. No. Well, I guess the video's gonna be titled Iceberg Slime Fail, because literally it was a fail. Why? What happened? How, guys? But it is really bubbly and kind of looks metallic, which is weird, but like, come on, dude, it didn't do it. It was really sizzly and all, but it just didn't do like the poke through thing. Like, go watch iceberg ASMR videos and you'll see what I'm talking about. But darn it. Well, I'll have to try again sometime. And this time maybe why it didn't work was I used clear glue and shaving foam, so maybe that's why, but I don't even think that's why. It looks so metallic on the screen. I don't even think that's why, because like, it was totally fine. It was just the top. Maybe it's because my cousin pushed it down. And now, like, the slime is totally ruined because there's a hard piece in it. But it's really sticky. And every time I cough, it tastes like blood. It's probably really glad. Darn it, I was so excited and it totally didn't work. Guys. What? Why didn't it? It was like too mushy underneath it, maybe? Because it was like just pushing down. It wouldn't do the right thing. I don't know. I'll have to retry it again, but use normal glue. Whatever. I mean, it wasn't a complete fail. It just didn't do what it was supposed to. But it sizzled a lot, so that's the plus side. No offense to my little cousins, but I love when they come over, but like it's a love-hate thing because when they come over, they just try to play with all my toys, which I don't blame them. I mean, I got some pretty cool toys. But then they just leave it out and I have to clean it up. Like my dresser, I made a slime with her and she wouldn't even help me pick it up. Like, yeah. And then they just get out all the toys and keep asking questions like, what is this? What is this? Like, wouldn't fall asleep till like 10:30. When her bedtime was literally 7:30 to 8 or like 8:30. I'm trying to mix this hard piece in, like total hard. So I'll keep doing that, but I guess that's my iceberg fail. Darn. Well, we gotta try again. Where did that piece of slime go? I swear, they're shooting. The slime shoots everywhere. I'm like, I don't know if it's not going to my hair or anything. I don't even know. Probably just gonna have to take this piece out because it is not mixing in. Picking all the good slime off. Comment down below if you know why that didn't work out right. See, like, it's a really tough piece here, so I think we're not going to use that. I don't know. Oakley, Josh's dog, aka my brother, is so scared of fireworks. I felt really bad for her one time, so I just came in and cuddled her while the fireworks were going off, and I missed most of the fireworks just so I could cuddle with Oakley because I felt bad. She was like shaking. She curled up on me. Hopefully my puppy isn't scared of him. He probably will be because when we were at Walmart, my dad went in to get a sprinkler, and then he said, you can go walk Toby around if you want. He'll love that. He was so scared when he got out because like someone was fixing our car or something. It was like way less noisy than a firework, but he was like so scared. He was like jumping up to the car and the door was closed and he was like freaking out. So I think he's gonna be scared of it, but he is a pretty brave little boy, so I don't even know. And it was so sad in the car. You know how he's a corgi? He's 25% Australian Shepherd, 75% corgi. It was so sad because he's as long as the seat in the car. He's like 6 months. He's as long as the seat in the car. So like when, oh my gosh, so like he could not get comfortable, so he had to like sit up the whole time, or his head was hanging off the seat because he's so long he couldn't fit on the seat, especially with me on there. Like there was like no room for him. I was trying to do everything. I even like squatted on the chair. That sounds weird. I even like made myself uncomfortable to get him comfortable, and he tried to lay across it, but his head would just not fit. So struggle with being a corgi. This slime makes good bubble pops. This hard piece but I have to throw it. Because you can't even play with it. Okay, that's all I can do from this. It's really hard, guys. It's like the layer of all the stuff curled up into a ball. That's fine because I still got some good slime. What do you say I just throw it back into the bowl and try to make an iceberg again with this slime? No, it won't work. Whatever. I wish I could make thumbnails and make it like this. If I could make a thumbnail, guys, I'd make it like this. No, not like that. Like a picture with the iceberg slime. And then me like... Ooh, look it. Ooh, look it. Ooh, look it. Ooh. Why does it look so metallic on that screen? Guys, it's really not that metallic, but it is kind of, don't get me wrong, but like on screen it just looks so metallic. It looks like the Barbie slime from Snoot Slime. But if I hold it up here, you can really see it's not too metallic. And I'll also, guys, show you the slimes that I made with my little cousin that came over and slept over. She's 4, by the way. I'll show you it. Who is that? I'll show you that. I'll show you it. I'll show you that. But yeah, I will. So there's 2 of them. I actually got it off of a Jillian Bauer slime channel. Little channel. Go search her out. She did a Disney Princess slime palette that I watched with... my nose is running. With my little cousin. And and I was like, I have all the ingredients to that slime. Like 5 months later after watching it, we finally made it. It was a Snow White princess slime. Right here. There's 2 parts. I didn't want to mix them. This one is really overactivated. But look at how glossy. Just after 1 day of sitting, it's that glossy. And you know why, guys? Like, if you want to make the thickest, glossiest slime ever, what you need to do, this is the key, I think. But it also made it really hard to activate, so I added a lot, and then it finally did activate, and then it overactivated. Yeah, story of my life. So it's not really stretchy, and also I made it with glue all, because that's what you need to make it with. So you need, these are the ingredients. I have them all set up here. Obviously you need red food coloring. Mine literally didn't work that good on this one, but yeah, and then you sent this slime. You sent this slime apple. So you need apple scent for this thick one. And you need cornstarch for this slime, the thick one. Just search it up. Disney Princess Palette, Jillian Bauer. B-O-W-E-R, I think. I don't know. Search it up, and then she made the slime. It was the Snow White slime. This is for the poison apple. So search it up if you want the ingredients. Toby, you in here, Bubba? Search it up if you want the ingredients, because I honestly don't even remember. Yeah, but that's this slime. Super thick, super glossy. Definitely make it, but don't overactivate it. And don't add too much baby oil or conditioner. The other part of the slime is the apple or something. I don't know. This is the slime. A red clear slime foam slime. Geez, they rose up fast. Literally, I finished making it was it even today? No, it was yesterday. I'm picking out all the clear slime so I can show you guys what a good slime this is. Literally, guys, does it happen to you where you make a slime, but then, you try to make, a normal clear slime, and it's not that good, but then when you make a clear slime, but, you add foam beads to it, then the clear base is, the best thing ever, but you can't, take it out. So this is the base. You add water to it, just a little bit of water, so it's kind of jiggly, but not jiggly. It's not like a jiggly slime, it's just has water in it. I added red glitter and then these big, chunky glitters. Red and silver. Yeah. Oh, here they are. These. I don't know where my other ones went. But yeah, I'll start mixing. So this one is actually scented strawberry. Strawberry and apple together smells. They smell so good together. I tested it out on a tissue. This was supposed to be berry, but strawberry is the closest thing I could find to berry. So, yeah. This slime is really nice, though. The ingredients are literally, you can look it up again, I don't know for sure. Red food coloring, and you're like, oh, how did the other one not work this good? This is really red. Well, because this is clear glue, so it gets red better, and I didn't add any, white ingredients. I didn't add lotion, or glue all, or cornstarch to make it harder for it to get white. But yeah, red. Yeah, this is a really nice slime, though. I tried mixing them, and since the other one is so stiff, it didn't work. I just put a little piece into each one. Didn't work. So we're gonna have to hope that this slime, the other one, gets melted a little bit. And yeah, I'm never gonna mix them because I'm not that type of person. But you need clear glue, water. Strawberry scent. It didn't even make mine too cloudy. Also with the red food coloring, it doesn't even look cloudy. Foam beads. I actually didn't have any red foam beads, so I just took normal foam beads and put red food coloring on them, and it kind of worked. As you can see, there's some red ones. They look white on camera. But really, there's some red ones and some are white. Some didn't get dyed, but some did. And you have to let them dry if you were going to do that. So I say it looks really good. On camera, they look really white, but in real life, they're red. Other than the few that stick out, they're look at, they're red. Why isn't it showing up on camera? And also they're covered with this red slime, so I swear guys, it's red, it looks good. You're supposed to use red foam beads, so yeah, that would work better, but. And then you put a little water in, and you can add glitter if you want. I did. And that's all, I think. It's a really nice slime. The scent and the water and the glitter is totally optional. But you really should add a little bit of water to make it like extra bubbly, but all you really need is clear glue, foam beads, and red food coloring. I love it. I think they're perfect other than the other one is way overactivated. But yeah. Fun, epic, amazing, and I love it. So, it's a win. Okay, bye. I gotta leave, guys. My nose is running. I probably sound super annoying, and I'm sorry about that.